Such a blessing to hit 22 years old today. What's up, guys? I hope y'all are having a great day. Thank you so much for the birthday wishes on Instagram. I've been getting a bunch of them today. Thank you so much. 22 is going to be the year of the bread gang, believe that, and it starts this week. Am I crazy? Absolutely. Do I care? Absolutely not. We're making a 1,500-mile round trip this week, starting tomorrow on July 4th. Bunch of YouTubers, bunch of car meet, truck meet. I'll get into it in a minute, but I'm gonna, it's my birthday. We're having fun. We're doing a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna hit the road here in a minute and go have lunch, stuff like that. We're gonna say hey to Dobby on the way out because I love my little doggy that I got at home, and I gotta show some love to him on the channel as well. So we're gonna hop into that, and I'm gonna show you guys the new shirt that I got on. I know y'all are gonna be really jealous, but let's roll the intro real quick and get into it.
What are you doing down there? Say hi. This is Dobby. Dobby's been on the channel before. I love my little boy. He's a Chihuahua. He's 14. He'll be 15. No, he just turned 14. This is my little man right there. I love that dude. I love you. I'll be back in a little bit.
This is Brad, baby! That's what I'm talking about.
I know you guys are going to be super jealous of the shirt, but there you go. Let's get this bread. Now, before any of you say anything, no, I cannot get you one. This was a gift to me. I don't know where she got it from. My beautiful girlfriend got it for me. So thank you so much to her. I owe you a lot. I absolutely love this. She has a matching one as well. I mean, it's amazing. But enough talk. Let's go look at the bow tie like I promised that I would do. So this is the front end of the truck now. I mean, of course, you get done with one thing. First it's the headlights, then the bow tie. Now I feel like this has to go. I'm kind of back and forth about it, but we'll see. But this is the end result of the plasti dip. I mean, I think it looks absolutely amazing, way better than I ever could have hoped for. And it just, it's so clean. I mean, I love it so much. And the great thing is, once that plasti dip wears off, or if I just want to get a new one, I can always just peel it off and start over. So that is absolutely amazing. I will be putting either the same Let's Get This Bread one back on at some point. So huge shout out to Ashley. I might get him to make me another one without the orange loaf in the back. So just Let's Get This Bread, kind of like the shirt is. But big things going on the channel this week. So today is the 3rd. It is a Wednesday. I will be leaving for Raleigh, North Carolina tomorrow on the 4th, early in the morning. Car meet and a bunch of filming being done Friday. The truck show in Raleigh at the fairgrounds on Saturday, and then if all goes well, either tomorrow or Sunday, I'm filming with JW. So I got a lot of stuff going on this weekend. Y'all are probably thinking I must be really stupid to be, I've had all these front end issues with the truck recently, and now I'm going to go 1,500 miles round trip with the truck. So I mean, am I stupid? Probably. Am I doing it for the YouTube and willing to risk it for the content? Absolutely. The truck has been doing really well since I got it back. Everything's riding great. I mean, it's looking really good. I need to get it cleaned up, but there's no point in cleaning it right before I drive 600 miles one way with it. So I'll be leaving sometime early tomorrow. So by the time most of y'all see this, I will already be on the road to Raleigh. Just some crazy chance, if y'all see my truck riding around 95 or up by 10, send me a picture and I'll give you a shout out. There are a couple other YouTubers or a couple people I'm hoping to meet up with on the way. If y'all are watching this, you know who you are. That should be pretty cool. I love being able to meet you guys and just just being able to sit down and talk about YouTube and Instagram and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna go finish off my birthday on a good note. I won't be filming a lot today just because I want to spend some time with my family and stuff. So I will see you guys in the next video on Thursday. No, today, Thursday or Friday. I don't know. One of those days there's gonna be a video that comes out. Probably Friday night after the truck meet or the car meet maybe. I got a lot of great content coming for you guys, and then when I get back, we're hopping right back on the grind. July 20th we have the show in Lexington, I believe, or Columbia, South Carolina, one of the two. Shout out to Sick Gear that's putting that on. JW and Mark is going to be there, so make sure y'all come out for that. Anybody that's in that area, come find me. I will be there. It's going to be a great time. And then my truck meet on the 27th, Saturday, here in Tallahassee. Again, going to be a great time. We're hoping to have a lot more trucks out there this time, a little more well known. So I can't wait to see you guys out there. I love you guys so much. I will see y'all next time. It's gonna be a good week. Happy birthday to me, 22. It's been amazing. As always, let's get this bread.